Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you add your birthday on your Hotel's Banco map. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on account down here. When just click here on account, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click on profile here. When you just click here on profile, it's going to take you to next step here. So just switching to open video like this here, click here on edit. When you click on edit, it's going to take you to next step here. Then you go down, come here to date of birth, and here you add your month, then day, then year here. So then all you have to do, just go down, click here on save. Then it's going to save your birthday here on your hotels Banco map. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.